Bangalore is such a beautiful city. Greenery everywhere, good metros. But traveling in the industrial area is such a big challenge. This is such a big problem. I don't even know how are people managing to overcome this challenge over here. I'm so tired.
Push. So tough to come here now.
It is so difficult to travel.
True. A companies like UCAM who is providing such advanced solutions.
Bumpy roads everywhere. The roads are not at all good. This is such a big challenge that the industries are facing.
Hi sir, we want to meet Teacher Sharma. We are from Machine Maker.
Hi Diksha.
Hi,
Abha. Varun is waiting for you in the war room. Let's go.
War room? So sir, why it is called as war room?
So we have different meeting rooms in our building. This particular room is a special room. It's called War Room, where most of our strategy discussions happen. Maybe if you have to have meetings, or if there's some kind of a like big business plan, we really like this room. It's a close-knit room, and I think most of the employees in our organization like utilizing this particular room to crack major problems.
It's been operating since 1986, and for the past 4 decades, known for its Rotary tables. It has been #1 in it. So how do you feel about the success and growth?
So the company was started by my father, Mr. Indradev Babu, in the year 1985. So there's a lot of hard work that he's put in, and we started in a very modest way. From the beginning, he worked in BL, and then he started an ancillary unit to BL, and then there was an idea which struck up, and then he wanted to go into product development. There's a lot of efforts that he's put in along with his team. So that's the backbone of the success that we see today. We've been serving countries, many different OEMs, many end customers, different industries and different applications. We customize our solutions so that we continuously work with customers, see what they need. We look beyond that as well and see how we can improve their productivity. We've been exporting our products to various geographies in Europe, in Americas. We also look at how we can partner with the OEMs and provide customized solutions that enable technologies as well.
So UCAM means CNC rotary tables, and now we are offering production systems as well. And we are in the IMTEX. UCAM is talking about future of advanced manufacturing. So what kind of innovations we are bringing? Can you please elaborate about it?
So in the last 10 years, India has gone through a lot of transformation in manufacturing. And the need for quality is a must. If you have seen the level of quality requirements that Indian manufacturing is required at the moment, it's to the micron levels. So for this, UCAM is already ready for this advanced manufacturing and the need for implementing advanced manufacturing of precision, automation. And you can see our innovative products at IMTEX right at Hall 1. And feel free to visit us, and we're ready to showcase various different product portfolios that serve your advanced manufacturing needs.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. It was really great talking with you to know about the vision of UCAM, to know more about the company and what we have for the future. For seeing the advanced manufacturing, the precision, visit IMTEX at Hall 1, and right at the entrance, at the beginning, you will see UCAM.